everybody, I'm Mike the Stew Burner, and today we are going to be doing something that is so simple that even I could do it. I mean, on the easy scale, easy being a 1 and 5 being maybe a little bit difficult. This is like a -2, okay? This is so simple. This is probably one of my favorite things to cook in an air fryer, and I cook this at least once a week and maybe 2 times a week. We eat a lot of chicken, okay? And right now with meat prices the way they are, I mean, it's chicken, chicken, chicken. And when I saw these on sale yesterday at 99 cents a pound, I just had to get them, and I knew exactly what it's gonna make from my video today, because I've shared different versions of what I'm gonna do today, but this right here is my go-to, the very basic of basic, but it is so good. And if you make it, you're going to understand why I put this video out. Because it's like basically 5 ingredients: chicken, salt, pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some paprika, and a little bit of olive oil, and that is it. And the end result is like no other rotisserie chicken that you've ever had. It's actually better. In fact, I mean, the closest that I can think of is maybe some like Boston Market. Do you remember Boston Market? I don't even know if they're even around anymore. It's that good. So let's get going because it's so simple. We're just going to go in some salt, some pepper. Now, one thing that I want to point out is I make sure that the skin is down and exposing as much of the meat as possible to start. And you will see why. All right, so we're going a little bit of salt here. Not too much salt. Can always salt later. You can't take it away. A little bit of pepper here. You can eyeball this. You know, how much pepper you like, how much salt you like, is all up to you. But I would go easy on the salt. Now I have 2 teaspoons each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, smoked paprika. We'll just give this a little mixeroo here, and we'll get this in. I'm gonna go in with about 3/4. That looks. I only have 5 legs in here. Normally I'm cooking like 6 or 8, but I'm only doing 5 today. So I'm giving these a really nice turn. Now we're going to go in and we're going to take that skin and now we're going to pull it down, because now we've seasoned the meat on the underside of the skin. So we get that, pull it down. Now if we need to add a little more seasoning, we have some here. Or we'll use what's in the bowl here that's sitting down here on the bottom. Here we go. Get that skin all pulled down. There we go. Now, it does need a little more seasoning, but like I said, I'm going to use some of that seasoning that's down in the bottom of this bowl here. Give it one more good turn. Now, we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on this. Get this skin pulled back down. I pulled the skin down. Now, I highly recommend that you wear gloves doing this. Number 1 is sanitary. I know you see me all the time without gloves, but this time I'm using gloves. Now, I'm going to go in with some olive oil, probably about just a tablespoon, just enough to coat the chicken. The skin will render, but this will just help it get a little bit more golden brown. There we go. Now I have the air fryer set for 390 for 20 minutes, and that's all it should take. Pull the drawer here. Get the chicken legs loaded in. You could do these with thighs, but I'm telling you right now, the legs are the money. Now you've seen me do a couple other videos with sauces like barbecue and I think a Peruvian. Tried and true right here, rotisserie style. All right. 390, 20 minutes. Actually, at about the 16-minute mark, I'm going to go in there and turn them. That way, whatever's not browned on the bottom, it will definitely brown off in the last couple of minutes. All right, I'll be back in 16 minutes my time, 2 seconds yours. Okay, I'm a little bit late getting back here, but they are looking absolutely fantastic. So we're just gonna give them one little turn here, and they actually don't look too bad on the bottom. Just a little bit of browning needed. So we're just giving these a turn. This smells so good. Get those in. We'll finish these off. I'll be back in a second. And we're going to have some of the most fantastic chicken legs you'll ever have. You could do these with turkey legs if you wanted. But we'll be back in a second and then we'll wrap this up. Okay, so let's do a little business while we wrap up here. We still got about 3 minutes to go. Hey, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, the subscribe, and most importantly, share. It really helps the channel out, helps me keep putting out content. It would be greatly appreciated. Let's do our episode shout out. So who am I going to do my shout out to this week? You know, it's got to be to San Diego. I'm getting ready to head over to San Diego here in a few days for a little bit of vacation. And that was my starting and ending point in the Navy. And that is a Navy town. So this shout out is to San Diego. Just the city of San Diego for putting up with all of us sailors for, oh gosh, over 100 years. And doing it well. I mean, it's the happening place. If you're a sailor, you get to go to San Diego. You know what I'm talking about. The weather's beautiful. The beaches are nice. The food is great. And what can I say? This episode is dedicated to San Diego. All right. We're coming down to the last 2 minutes. We'll come back. We'll pull these out. And we'll give them a try. Okay, with about 3 seconds left to go here. Less than 3. We're all done. Looky there. Well, these look perfect. Didn't I tell you? Rotisserie like. And it smells like rotisserie chicken. See if I can get these lined up here. Oh my gosh. Easiest thing I make all week long, honest to God. It really doesn't get any easier than this. And you saw how easy this was. A few spices, throw them in your air fryer, and you have that. Can you smell that? Is your mouth watering? Mine is. It's hard to talk. My family loves these. So you know what time it is. It's time to try these out. And it really is. I mean, I keep saying it, but it really is. I pulled these out at 170. You have to cook chicken to at least 165. The darker meat, I usually go to 170. And we'll take a piece right there. And it's hot, but it is so, look at that, it's so juicy. That's better than Boston Market. That's better than some of the Girosto I've gotten on the side of the street in Naples. That is a winner chicken dinner by means of an air fryer. For all you people wondering why you should get an air fryer. Number one, I didn't have to go heat up an oven. Number two, if you're only cooking for a few people, there you go. And if you actually have a larger group that you're cooking for, you've seen my Thai fur right over here. You can put a lot more in the Thai fur and the results are just freaking amazing. So hey, again, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, most importantly share, and right over there, hit the logo. It makes it so much easier to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, thanks and we'll see you.